Hey everyone, welcome back to another thrilling video. Today, we're delving deep into the latest innovation from Casio, the PRG-340SC watches. Casio is once again making waves in the world of outdoor gear, with the introduction of two new additions to its renowned Pro Truck lineup, the PRG-340SC-2 and PRG-340SC-5 watches. These timepieces are tailor-made for outdoor enthusiasts, providing a wealth of features to aid in navigation and environmental tracking, all wrapped up in a stylish and eco-conscious appearance. One glance at these watches reveals their commitment to functionality and durability. The PRG-340SC-2 boasts a sleek navy hue, while its counterpart, the PRG-340SC-5, exudes warmth with its beige color scheme. Both models are equipped with essential tools for outdoor exploration, including a digital compass, barometer, altimeter, and thermometer. These features ensure that wearers can navigate confidently and stay informed about changing environmental conditions. What sets these watches apart is their innovative dual-layer LCD display, which allows users to view different types of information simultaneously. This feature enhances usability, enabling quick access to crucial data during outdoor excursions. Moreover, a bright LED backlight ensures optimal visibility even in low-light conditions, further enhancing the watch's practicality. Beyond functionality, Casio places a strong emphasis on sustainability with the Pro Truck PRG-340SC watches. The bands are crafted from recycled resin pieces sourced from Casio's own production leftovers, reducing waste and giving each watch a distinctive speckled appearance. Additionally, bio-based resins are utilized in other parts of the watches, contributing to a more environmentally friendly manufacturing process. Despite their rugged construction, these watches prioritize comfort, weighing in at a mere 60 grams. Wearers can enjoy all-day comfort during their outdoor adventures, thanks to the lightweight appearance. Furthermore, both models are solar-powered, ensuring reliable performance while minimizing environmental impact. With water resistance up to 100 meters and the ability to withstand temperatures as low as 10 degrees Celsius, these watches are built to accompany users on any outdoor excursion, regardless of the conditions. The eagerly awaited Casio Pro Truck PRG-340SC watches are now within reach for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Priced at $250, these timepieces offer an exceptional blend of functionality, style, and sustainability, making them a worthy investment for those who value both performance and environmental consciousness. Excitement for these watches has reached a crescendo as they are currently available for pre-order on Amazon. Enthusiasts can secure their own PRG-340SC-2 or PRG-340SC-5 watch with just a few clicks, ensuring they'll be among the first to experience the innovation and utility of these cutting-edge timepieces. In summary, the Casio Pro Truck PRG-340SC watches represent a fusion of functionality, sustainability, and style. Whether trekking through the wilderness or exploring urban landscapes, outdoor enthusiasts can rely on these timepieces to provide essential navigation tools and environmental data, all while making a positive impact on the planet. Thanks for tuning into today's video. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and never stop pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Until then, take care, and may God bless you abundantly.